Hey everyone, GoldiLocsNC here, back with another video. If you're watching this, I need you to go like and share. Also, in the comment section below, comment some things that you'd like to see on our channel. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. So last week I posted a video about me brushing my locks. And I'm not going to say that it caused a little controversy, but it definitely tended to be a topic of discussion as to you have some people who brush their locks and you have some people who don't and have never heard of it. So from my personal experience, I'll share with you guys why I started brushing my locks and pretty much, the background with that. So next week, I'll be celebrating 8 years that I've had my hair. My locks, I started January 23rd, 2013. And I have been brushing my locks pretty much after they mature. So I'll say maybe about a year and a half in. So probably like the last 6 years I've been brushing my hair. And I've always used a soft bristle brush. You don't want to use anything too hard because you don't want it to snag your hair and you don't want it to interrupt your locking process. So if you're still in the starter lock phase, this isn't something that I would suggest to you. However, brushing my locks, if you guys can see, they look soft and they actually are. And I think brushing has definitely helped that. They're not as frizzy. Brushing helps with me get rid of lint. That's the biggest thing, especially right now. And with us being in this winter season, we're wearing a lot of scarves, a lot of heavy coats, and that lint tends to kind of build up in the back. So I'll brush my hair like so, especially focusing on the parts that normally rub against my hair. Rub against my garments. It's definitely helped with, me not having issues of lint. So brushing helps with lint. It helps with frizz. As you guys can see, some frizz here. I'm going to show you guys. Actually, let's do a little magic trick. So I'm going to put a little oil in my hand. And I'm going to rub that in, and I'm actually going to brush, okay? And it looks as though that frizz just disappears. So even though you think brushing would be contradicting in the sense of wouldn't it create more frizz, but you'd be surprised that it actually gets rid of a lot. So it helps with lint. It helps with frizz. It helps you distribute your product throughout your hair. And like I said, it helps your locks be soft. It keeps them soft. And not to mention, brushing just seems to be very, very therapeutic. So like I said, I would love to hear if you brush your hair, or even if you don't and you are willing to try it. Comment below, share your story. I would love to hear it. But again, thanks for watching. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.